Hey guys, Kevin Ostie here from V8TV and the V8 Speed and Resto shop, reminding you that our drive-in cruise event is coming up this Thursday in just a couple days at the Belleville Skyview Drive-In in Belleville, Illinois. And the advanced ticket purchasing has now been closed, but if you don't have your ticket yet, you can come to the event and get tickets at the gate, and those are 15 bucks for everybody that you can fit in your car. And you can join our classic car show at the drive-in as we show the Cannonball Run. So I wanted to let everybody know that if you've pre-purchased tickets, those things went out in the mail. You can also come by our shop, the V8 Speed and Resto shop, at 817 South Main in Redbud, Illinois, and buy tickets up until Thursday. So that is still available if you're local.
California, here we come.
Gate opens at 6 p.m. If I were you, I'd get there a little early. We've got a lot of interest, a lot of people going. It's a fun event, and we look forward to seeing you there. So on your ticket is going to be a number that is for the raffle. Make sure you don't lose that when you come in, because we're going to pull some numbers and give away cool stuff. We look forward to seeing you then, Thursday, August 16th, 6 p.m., the Belleville Skyview Drive-In. More information is available at driveincruise.com. See you there.